Welcome to Dominance Financial. We are a financial and insurance brokerage firm for the everyday, working class, and retired American. My name is Nate Brown. I'm the CEO of this fantastic company, and I encourage you to visit us online at dominancefinancial.com for more information and resources. I'm about to discuss burial insurance in a minute, but before I get into that, let me briefly explain to you who I am. First, I'm a husband to my beautiful wife Tanya, and I'm also a proud father of my three princesses, Gianna, Eliza, and Faith. Prior to starting this company, I used to be a mental health social worker for 11 years. I have a big heart for people and families. It's just the way God made me. So I'm here to help you and your family learn about and properly take care of the need of burial life insurance. Let's go over the truth about burial insurance. I'm not here to sweet talk you. I'm here to let you know the facts about this. So fact number one is the rising cost every year. Cremations used to cost roughly $1,500, and now the costs are anywhere from $3,500 to $6,000. Now that's a lot of money for an individual or family to come up with. Traditional burials and memorials used to cost an average of $5,000 to $8,000. Today, an average traditional funeral costs between $10,000 to $15,000. Now that's enough to put any loving, caring family in tremendous debt, especially the way things are now in this economy. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd rather pay a small premium and let the insurance companies pay the rest of that money to my beneficiary so that my family can grieve in peace and not burn a hole in their pockets. Second fact, television ads can be so deceptive. I do not want you being deceived by these commercials with celebrities saying sweet attractive numbers like $9.95 for life insurance. I'm sure you've seen them. Well, let me tell you, that price sounds attractive at first, but once you realize that you're only paying for a block of insurance or even just accidental insurance in some cases, by the time it's all said and done, you'll be paying almost double the cost for the same coverage that we can provide. I can't tell you how many times I've been with people who have bought into those gimmicks, and we're able to put them into a better plan and they begin saving an extra $25 to $50 a month for the same coverage. So I encourage you, please don't be deceived and consult with one of our licensed professionals first. Now let's discuss the three different types of burial insurance or final expense insurance. The first one is accidental insurance. This is insurance that will pay a sum of money to your beneficiary if the way of your passing is deemed an accident. Now here's the pros and cons. The pros is pretty inexpensive or cheap. That's it, pretty much. The cons, it does not cover death from natural causes, meaning unless you pass away from a slip and fall, car accident, or struck by lightning, your beneficiary will receive $0 towards the cost of your burial. Here's an interesting fact. Less than 1% of these policies actually pay out because most seniors don't pass away from accidents, meaning it's more money going to the insurance companies and potentially $0 going to your family. Accidental life insurance may be cheap, but as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. So I strongly recommend staying away from those types of burial insurance plans. The next option out there is called term life insurance. Here's the pros and cons of term life. It's insurance that will only last a term of 10 to 20 or 30 years depending on your age. So the pros, relatively cheap or inexpensive. It does cover death from accidental and natural causes also. But here's the cons. The cost starts low, but the price increases every 5 years after hitting age 60, meaning your monthly premium will rise at age 65, 70, and 75. And here's the kicker. The policy expires at age 80. Isn't that something? When the good Lord blesses you with longer life, the insurance policy expires when you need it the most. Here's another interesting fact. Only 1% of these burial insurance policies actually pay out nationwide. Why is that? For two reasons. Because due to medical improvements and the awareness of healthy eating and lifestyles, people are living longer these days. Two, The cost of insurance often goes from $20 a month upwards to $180 and $300 a month, which is simply unaffordable, so the policy lapses. So once again, it becomes another situation where more money goes into the insurance company and very little, if at all, goes to your family. So some agents try to sell seniors this. Do not be deceived. I would not recommend purchasing term for seniors. Whole life insurance is an insurance that will be there for you your whole entire life. I actually have a whole life burial insurance plan myself so that my wife and daughters don't have to pay a dime when I pass away. So here's the pros and cons of whole life insurance. I'll start with the cons first. If it can be considered a con, it's the cost. The price of whole life insurance is a bit more than accidental and term. However, not too much more. 90% of the seniors that I've worked with are on a fixed income and have gotten their burial insurance coverage for less than $2 a day on average. Here's the pros. One, it will last you your whole entire life and never expires. It never stops. As long as you're living, your policy will be active. The cost of the premium never increases. It's the same, it's fixed. Your death benefits never decrease at all. You accumulate cash value within your policy for later uses. It's kind of like a small savings account built within your policy. You also have living benefits included for free, meaning that if something were to happen to you that was critical, chronic, or terminal, up to 80% of your death benefit could be paid out to you while you are still living to do whatever you want with it. It's a much more holistic coverage option that will bring you and your beneficiary the greatest benefit at still a decent and affordable cost. And it provides the most peace of mind at the end of the day, which is really what everybody really wants. Almost forgot. They also have guaranteed issue whole life policies available. So even if you've been denied in the past or have major medical issues, we can still get you approved with a whole life burial insurance plan. No medical questions asked whatsoever. So now that you've been properly informed on the types of burial or final expense life policies that are available to seniors, what do you do next? I'd like to present you with a few options. If you're ready to move right now, then you can call us at 773-688-7570 and speak with me or one of our agents. And here's what we'll do. We'll first ask you 10 medical questions that we're required by the underwriters to ask. We will then search quotes for you live time with you over the phone. 3, we can then fill out the application with you right over the phone. And if you're the type that doesn't like an agent to come out to your house, then we can walk over the application, do it in live time with an agent or even with a video phone call using Zoom, which is what I prefer. If you do prefer to meet with an agent, then simply schedule an appointment and we can either have a remote conference with Zoom, or you can schedule a home meeting at your house with an agent or a meeting in our office in Oak Brook, Illinois. Whichever option is better for you, we will accommodate to your preference. You can simply go to the website listed below and click on which option is more comfortable for you. We look forward to helping you take care of your burial insurance needs. Thank you so much for choosing Dominance Financial. God bless you and see you soon. Bye-bye.